Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at one of the most compact yet powerful home espresso machines, the Breville Bambino. Before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description below to grab this espresso machine at the best discounted price while it's still available. Design and build quality. The Bambino is sleek, minimalist, and built with a brushed stainless steel body that looks stunning on any kitchen counter. It has a small footprint, so it's perfect even for tight spaces, and it feels solid and well crafted despite its compact size. Fast heat up and ease of use. One of the best features is how quickly it's ready to go. The Bambino heats up in just 3 seconds. That means no long waiting in the morning when all you want is your coffee fix fast. It's super simple to use with clearly labeled buttons and automatic shot control for consistent results every time. Espresso quality and performance. The machine uses Breville's 15-bar Italian pump and a precise digital temperature control system to deliver rich, balanced espresso shots with a thick crema. You'll get cafe-quality flavor at home, and it's consistent whether you're pulling a single shot or a double. Milk frothing and latte art. It also includes a powerful steam wand that lets you create silky microfoam milk in seconds. Perfect for cappuccinos, lattes, or practicing your latte art at home. This is something most compact machines struggle with, but the Bambino nails it. Maintenance and cleaning. Cleanup is quick and easy thanks to the removable drip tray and water tank. The stainless steel surface wipes clean easily, and Breville includes a cleaning tool to keep everything in top shape. Pros and cons. White check mark emoji, super fast 3-second heat up. White check mark emoji, compact and stylish design. White check mark emoji, cafe-quality espresso shots. White check mark emoji, powerful steam wand for milk frothing. Cross mark emoji, small water tank, needs refilling often. Cross mark emoji, no built-in grinder, requires separate grinder. Overall, the Breville Bambino espresso machine is an amazing pick if you want cafe-style coffee at home without the bulk or complexity. It's fast, compact, and delivers rich, smooth espresso every single time. Shopping cart emoji, check the link in the description below to grab this espresso machine at the best discounted price today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.